Hey there, Peninsula School District families. My name's Luke Grunberg. I am the proud principal of Key Peninsula Middle School with some important information that we'd like to share with you about the Replacement Educational Programs and Operations Levy. To continue funding programs and resources not fully funded by the state, our district has a Replacement Educational Programs and Operations Levy on the February 10th ballot. This 3-year levy will replace our expiring levy and is critical to maintaining the quality education that our kiddos deserve. It represents about 17% of our district's budget, funding essential programs the state doesn't fully cover. This levy funds all of our athletic programs, our music and arts programs, school safety officers who keep our campuses secure, and so much more. It supports teachers, paraeducators, counselors, nurses, technology specialists, early childhood education, curriculum updates, and targeted help that ensures every student can succeed. Peninsula School District remains fiscally responsible and will still have the second lowest overall local school tax rate in Pierce County. Every dollar you approve stays right here in our district, supporting our schools and our students. The estimated levy rate is $1.30 per $1,000 of assessed value. Combined with our existing safety, security, and technology levy and 2019 bond, the total local school tax rate is estimated at $1.99 per $1,000 of assessed value. Ballots will be in your mailbox by late January. Remember to vote by Tuesday, February 10th. Thank you to our voters for supporting our schools. This levy allows us to continue providing the programs and support that serve our students. Don't forget, turn your ballots in by February 10th.